Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to resize an artboard in Adobe Illustrator. First, make sure you have the artboard tool selected. You can find it on your toolbar. Once the tool is active, you'll see handles around the artboard. You can simply click and drag these handles to resize your artboard manually. If you want to keep the aspect ratio, hold down the Shift key while dragging. And if you'd like to resize from the center, hold both Shift and Alt together as you drag. Now, if you want to input a specific size, go to your artboard properties. You'll see boxes labeled W for width and H for height. Enter the dimensions you need. If you want to maintain the aspect ratio while changing these values, make sure that the chain icon is active. This ensures that your artboard scales proportionally. If it's off, you can adjust the width and height independently. That's all it takes to resize an artboard in Illustrator. If this video helped, support us with a like and share your questions and thoughts in the comments below.